Hi there. So we have learned the concept of debit note and what a purchase return is. Now let's see that how can we make these journal entries in the accounting software Tally or in the general books of accounts. That is 12-minute TVs and as there is no figure here, so let's assume like 8 tape recorders were found defective and were returned back white debit note number 01 2019-20. So this is our first debit note, hence we have named it 01 and this is the year. So this is basically an invoice number. Now we have decided to debit the account of Gravity Incorporation. Let's see how can we do it in Tally. And yeah, let's open accounting vouchers, that is V. Right here you can see that, oops, yeah, right here you can see this section right here says credit note and debit note, but these functions are still not active. So let's try the first process that I explained to you, that is choose F7, and this is the first time I think that we are going to make an entry of F7. F7 is a journal entry, and then what will we do? We will debit the account of Gravity Incorporation, that is by whom whatsoever account, assume 100 against reference, yes, this only 100, and write 2 here, enter, and then you can create a purchase return account, that which I told you, return, transfer it to purchase accounts. Okay, and then as soon as you press enter, we will not press enter, we'll press escape because we'll not be doing this way. I'll show you what Tally will do. You can enter purchase account here, can't, oops, font is too low, let's try this font, to purchase account. Okay, hence it will automatically credit the purchase that was debited and it will debit the Gravity Incorporation which was credited. Okay, but we'll not follow this way, we'll follow the way of debit note, but this is not active right now. Let's learn how to activate it. Let me open this sheet right here. I have the instructions how to open it. Debit and credit notes in Tally. For using, you can download this resource file also if you need. For using debit and credit notes in Tally, you have to enable them. Okay, from gateway of Tally, press F11, shortcut for company features. Let's go to gateway of Tally, escape, escape, yes, F11 right here, company features, and then select accounting features. Under invoicing, set the option use debit notes, credit notes to yes. Also set yes for invoice notes. Where are you? Right here. So do we have the same picture? Yes, right here. Click on it. Yes. Why? 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 To yes. Okay. Enter till the time you see an accept window, or you can just hit Control A and it will be accepted. Yes. Let's check out if that feature is now activated. Go to vouchers again. Okay, as you can see right now, we have this feature of debit note and credit note right here that is activated, as we have to use debit note and it has double underscore below it, hence we'll be using control plus F9. Okay, so purchase is F9 and this one is control plus F9. Can you see purchase right here? Purchase is F9 and this one is control plus F9 because it has two underscores beyond it, underneath it. Let's try and pass the entry as per the debit note, and let's see what debit note window has to offer. I'll remove it. I'll click F9, Control F9. Okay, debit note window appeared. Original invoice number is, do we have original invoice number? Yes, maybe we do have. It was 3250, right? 3250. Date. OMG, I always have trouble in entering date. 2nd of April 19. Okay, so looks like we are pretty quick in returning the goods because we have purchased goods on the date 1st April and we have returned them on 2nd April. Good going, company. Yeah, so let's see what details it has to offer. Buy. Now you can see right here we have to choose Gravity Incorporation because Gravity was debited. I'll write down the entry for you. Date and text. Where are you, text? Okay. Gravity Inc. account. Debit to what account? Yeah, let's see. How much is the amount of Gravity Incorporation account debit? The amount is, where is the question? 12 12 into 2000 and 8 into how much? 12,500. Does Tally does not calculate it automatically? I don't know. 12 into 2000, 24,000, and other one is 8 tape recorders were purchased, which was 12,500 per piece. Oops, but there was a discount also, hence this is not the original amount. Now let's see what can we do about it. Okay, let me remove this first. Right here I have what happened. So yeah, we purchased these at the rate of 2000 and 12,500. Let's apply discount on them and then we can calculate the original rate, that is 0.80, right? 0.80, and yes, 20% was the discount into, if you have any other way you can calculate by that also. Oops. Okay, what is the total? No, we cannot have total, right? 12 and 8, right? 12 and 8 multiply by 12 and then multiply by 8, the total comes to 99,200. Yeah, debit the amount of 99,200 against reference. Okay, so let's choose against reference and it will show us this right here, that is this invoice number that we created when we purchased. Enter 99,200, accept, yes. Now to which account? What do you think? Let's enter purchase account only. Oh wow, so here is it. That is the way that we can escape these calculation. On delivery of 12 mini TVs and 8 tape recorders, mini size TV, which go down is it? Sri Harikota 12 2000, and where is the discount column? It's not here, so we'll choose 1600, but it should be here, right? 2. Let's see what we have. Purchase account, color size, what was it? Tape recorders, right? Tape recorders. Go down is Sriharikota always, because we have only one go down. Looks like it. 12,500. No, that is not the rate. There is a discount also. How much is the amount? 10,000. 10,000. It is automatically giving us the rates, but yeah, these are, I don't think, are the correct rates. These are rates without discount. So this entry right here is goods returned. Enter, accept. Do you accept? Yes. Yeah, so we have passed the debit note entry of the first one right here, and let's check out the second one. Now before moving on to the second entry, do you think that Tally can be this inefficient that it has to make us calculate all these? Nope. So what else can we do? We passed that entry because I wanted to show you what is the first way, and I wanted to show you that how can you create a debit note by that journal entry. Now let's try the most efficient feature of Tally, debit note. Most efficient feature of Tally in the debit note, right? Don't get carried away. Oops, you are still here. So let's try and see this feature right here as invoice. Okay, and you can also press Control V, Control plus V. This feature will only be activated on the debit note, on the debit note window, right? Window. Control plus V on the debit note window. Let's see what magic does this feature does as invoice, right? Now you have changed. Now you can see that this window right here is changed, and this is pretty different. Let's see what was the previous one, and let's toggle by Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, so we want to create an invoice instead of a voucher or instead of a journal entry. Voucher is as good as journal entry, just for, yeah. So let's try this and see what wonders can it do. Yeah, the original invoice number is space X. Which one is original number? 4256, right? 4256. What's the date? The date of returning is first 1819 F2 1819. If you change the date beforehand only, it will automatically take this date. But as we did not do it, hence we have to suffer. Party account name space X. Tracking number, do you have it? Suppose the tracking number of the truck or the tempo that you are going to resend those goods in, the courier service, right? Order number, order reference, we don't have, we have already defined it. Purchase ledger, purchase, right? And now you can enter those amounts. Northern Stereos 8, Northern Stereos, Sriharikota is the go down, 8 quantity, and it will automatically reflect the amount that was purchased for. And yeah, you can recheck 4,000 pieces, right? So hence it is 12.5%. Let's go to another one which says Northern Color TV, Northern Color TV from Sriharikota, and 5, right? 6 northern color TVs. We purchased it for 14,500 only. It has automatically given us this amount. 12.5% is the discount you have to specify. Okay, but I can bear that pain. Instead of that journal entry, returned goods, accept. Okay, so that is also created. Now let's check out the purchase ledger. Escape, DALPUR, purchase, enter, alt plus F2 for period 1419. Here, right here, you can see two entries that says debit note, debit note. How do you filter these vouchers? That is, so I know how can you filter it. Go to F12 right here. Can you see it? F12, and then click on credit on entries only, because this is the credit side, right? Enter till the time you exit it. Yeah, right here you can see only debit note entries, and if you open them, this one is the lengthy entry. Let's see what it has when we print it. That is alt P, print preview. Oops, why did you come, bro? Yeah, so this is the debit note created, and Gravity Incorporation goods returned 99,200, but it does not have all the details. So let's now check how is that one, the invoice one, right? SpaceX. Okay, so alt P, yes, and it will give us a print preview before. Wow, this is pretty much more explanatory, and it says debit note voucher, party's name is SpaceX, purchase Northern Stereos, etc, etc. Okay, so you can now see it, and you can see that it needs to be signed by the appropriate authorities. Hence, when you are done with it, you need to print it out and then transfer it to appropriate authorities. Okay, so I have defined you both the ways. That way you can use the debit note and purchase return. Okay, I'll see you in the next lecture where we will enter the sales entries. Bye, good day.